bugs and parasites above and below my skin, fighting this battle, and it's crucial that I win. Oh, yeah, it is crucial that I win. Bugs and parasites crawling amongst my flesh, wishing I could start again, wishing I could start out fresh, wishing I could start out Infiltrated blood supply, feel it coursing through my veins, slowly working its way closer, rotting away my brain, rotting away my brain. Infiltrated blood supply, feel it making me ill. I'm just trying to coexist before it's be killed. Oh, kill, be killed, oh, things are looking bad, fear they're only getting worse. Just trying to make a difference for what it's worth. Times are looking bad, fear they're only getting worse. Just trying to avoid becoming a parasite. This cancer grows until I'm much too sick to fight. Just keeps on taking, till I swear I see the light. I swear I see the light. Now this cancer grows and violently takes hold. Laying, dying, well, the doctor's trying on his new watch made of gold. His new watch made of gold. Things are looking bad, fear they're only getting worse. Just trying to make a difference for what it's worth. Times are looking bad, fear they're only getting worse. Just trying to avoid becoming a parasite. Searching for the perfect weather, or just something to make it better. Try to outrun my worried mind, but it catches up every single time, and catches up to me every single time. Some days I swear it's getting clear, other ones I'm consumed with the fear. Hang my head low as I repent, wishing any of it made any sense. Wishing any of it made any sense. Sunny skies far between, but these ain't the worst days I've seen. Sunny skies far between, but these ain't the worst days I've seen. Sunny days seem so far away. Lately all I've been seeing is gray. Time is moving a little too slow. Hard to move on with nowhere to go. It's hard to move on with nowhere to go. Sunny skies far between, but these ain't the worst days I've seen. Sunny skies far between, but these ain't the worst days I've seen. Searching for the perfect weather, or just something to make it better. Try to outrun my worried mind, but it catches up every single time, and catches up to me 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 every single time. It catches up to me every single time.
Truly amazing. Exactly what I would expect from Captain Seabeard. Well, seeing as how we're about at the end of our time here, can you tell our lovely audience any upcoming shows, social media, side projects, whatever you'd like to plug? Now is the time to do it.
All right, can I take this off?
Yep.
Ooh, now I'm a rapper. May 5th, Friday, May 5th, playing in La Crosse at Grounded Patio Cafe with my friends Ben and Delilah, known as the Hooks. Saturday the 6th, we're playing at Jeremiah's Bullfrog Fish Farm south of Menominee. I'm not allowed to announce that one yet. We got more coming up. We've got some recording coming up. Yeah, we got lots more coming up. So, woo.
Any social media or anything that people can find y'all on?
Captain Seabeard. Captain as in Captain Crunch. CAPN. Seabeard as in SEABEARD.
In the meantime, while our audience eagerly awaits those upcoming announcements and shows, I've been Nathan Blaser, your host of Sounds of the Valley. This has been Captain Seabeard, and I hope that everyone at home has a wonderful rest of their night.